In front of me I have the UNV Professional AI 16 Camera NVR. So it's a full 8 megapixel resolution, so full 4K, and it comes with 8 direct PoE outlets on it, and the ability then to add on 8 additional ones, and I'll cover that in a few moments time. So this is really top of the range NVR that we have within the UNV range. So it has all the capabilities you could possibly look for, and the great thing about it is that it's massively competitive in price compared to its main rivals here. So let's just look at exactly what you get when you order this here. So we have the outer box here. We have the power unit that comes here. So this is 52 volts and 1.8 amp. And the reason it's such a powerful power unit is, of course, that it's going to be powering the NVR, but also the first 8 cameras, will say, that you put directly onto this won't have their own power sources. They'll be powered directly off of this single power unit. There is a mouse here, and then also we have the SATA drives here, so we can add up to an 8 terabyte hard drive. So it all depends, we'll say, or a 6 terabyte hard drive on this. It all depends, we'll say, the resolution and things like that, but you'd be looking between 1 and 2 weeks recording on it, okay? So we just have the front here is very blank, but if we look in the back here, the main things are the 8 PoE ports here. We have the external LAN connection here. This is where you'd add on an additional PoE switch, and then you'd power an additional 8 cameras, and of course technology inside can handle all of them there. In terms of the outputs on it, then it'll be the HDMI and the VGA connection directly over to a monitor, external USBs for normally for just extracting recordings, and the power input in itself, and there's a number of power indicators on the front of it here as well. So this is really the top end of what we're selling in terms of the UNV range. So a number of reasons why you should view this and consider, we'll say, the UNV range. First of all, the range is very impressive. The price point on it's great. We have very comprehensive range of over 20 videos covering all of the main products. But also we'll say a lot of support videos in terms of adding on the apps, troubleshooting, adding hard drives, etc. And then the reset features, etc. that are on this are really impressive. In terms of the AI technology that's inside it there, it allows us to do things like crosswire intrusion detection, etc. So they're really the features that professional setups are looking for all the time. So it's brilliant for us because we're the main partners with UNV here in Ireland, but it's a brand that's really grabbing traction in Ireland because of the range, support and price.